Hey guys, Eric here, and on this episode of Problem Solve Basics, I'm going to show you how to fix a jammed garbage disposal. So sometimes when you're doing the dishes, your insink aerator can get jammed up. Now when I say jammed, what I mean is you can flip the switch on your aerator right there, and you'll hear a little hum coming from the sink, indicating that the garbage disposal is turning on. However, it's not able to rotate. This indicates that there's a jam inside the garbage disposal. Maybe something's too tough for it to cut through, or something just got stuck in the grinder in there and it's not able to rotate. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the power to the garbage disposal is off here at the switch, and then you want to come under your sink here. And there's going to be a normal wall outlet in the back here where your garbage disposal is plugged in. You want to make sure you unplug that, because you don't want the garbage disposal to have any power going through it while you're working on it. Alright, so once you have the garbage disposal unplugged, you can see my garbage disposal right here, you can start to work on it. So underneath the garbage disposal, there's a little Allen key receptacle. You're going to use a number 6 Allen key, just like this. Most garbage disposals use a number 6, sometimes a number 7. This is a number 6 for this one. And you're going to put this right underneath the garbage disposal, right in the middle, just right up like that. Hope you guys can see that. And then you're just going to manually rotate the garbage disposal until you can clear that jam. And you can move this back and forth to clear that jam up. After you've manually rotated that back and forth and hopefully cleared the jam, we can plug it back in and see if it works. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, the aerator is plugged back in now. Let's run some water, see if it works. We have a working garbage disposal. That's how you unjam a jammed insink aerator or garbage disposal. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Problem Solve Basics.